Hey guys, it's John ReelBlue Custom Rods and welcome back to the channel. So today's video is going to be part 2 of the guide replacement on the spay rod that I am doing. And if you remember in the first video, I'm removing 3 stripping guides. So this is basically the bottom portion of a 4-piece spay rod, which has 1 stripper guide on it, right? With several other tag wraps down here. As you can see, this one on the far left, there's several other silver tag wraps on the rod. The second section has 2 additional stripping guides that I have taken everything off of, and I'll show that to you here. So here is the additional portion of the rod, and you can see where I removed the guides and I took off the silver thread for the tag wraps, if you will, but I purposely left it on here. And in the third section, we're just going to rewrap the first snake guide. So what I wanted to do was explain a couple things before I get ready to do this. And wrapping this is no different than wrapping any other guide, right? However, you may be wondering, why did I decide to leave the silver tag wraps on this rod? The reason I decided to do that was because since there's 4 other silver tag wraps on this rod, I wanted the silver thread tag wraps to match. I didn't want my wrap to be maybe a little wider or thinner, and I just wanted it to match as closely as if it was the original rod. And so that is why I left those silver tag wraps right here and right here on the blank. So now what I'm doing is I'm just wrapping my rod, and I'm using size A thread for this. And I am almost certain that I'm going to do a double over wrap for a couple of reasons. One reason is even when you get almost all of the finish off that you can possibly get off when you remove a guide, there is some parts that you can't get off. I mean, you get it all off, but there's just a bit of residual, and it leaves a little, it almost feels groovy, if you will, from where the original thread wrap was on there. So I like to defeat that problem or attack that problem, if you will, by using 1, size 8 thread, and then 2, I'm just going to do a double over wrap, because right here you can see where I've got some space in the thread there, right? I've got some space, and you can see the blank. That's because that's where some of that finish is at, and it has that groove in there. So even when I go to try to pack the threads, that thread sits in there and sometimes doesn't want to move or wants to sit crooked. And the other part, which I've always said about doing any of my videos where I'm doing guide wraps, the great thing about dark colors like black and blue and maroon and purple, when you use regular nylon thread, it doesn't matter how the thread wrap works. I mean, I'm not trying to tell people to do crappy thread wrap work, right? But what I'm saying is when you're using regular nylon thread, I can go and do a double over wrap and pick up the space, and no one will know, except for all of you who watch this video, that there is a double over wrap on this guide. Because when you apply finish to nylon thread dark colors, it comes out just like a solid color, almost as if the finish was black or dark blue or purple, right? So that's why I like to do that. So I'm just going to get this rolling. I need to pack it though still a little bit here, the best I can around that where it gets a little ripply, if you will. All right, I'll wrap down. Take it up a little bit. Try to pack those threads the best I can there. And I'm just making sure I've got all that finish off of there. And I can see where I got a little bit of a line. You can see some of those little flakes from that finish coming off. So I'm just making sure I get it off. Okay. All right, so I'm going to wrap all the way down to as far as I can go, down to the base of those. Then I'm going to pause. I'm going to use my burnishing tool. I'm just going to go back and forth a little bit. All right, and now I'm just going to slowly start working back towards the toe of the stripping guide, meaning right there. I'm just starting to work right back towards the toe. All right, getting down to the end. And because this is a fly rod, I'm going to come right up to the top. So I want my line, any, I don't want to say deficiencies, but any seams or anything, I want to make sure it's always on the underside of the rod, right? And so I'm just going to wrap down to that silver tag wrap now. Not past it, not over it, just right next to it. And then I can cut my thread, come back up here. And grab my white pulling thread. Give it a nice tug, come back with the blade. All right. And then I want to repeat the same thing over here on the other side. Get that wrap started. All right, give it a tug. All right, then we can start wrapping that down. Pack the thread. All right. Yep, that tapes down on there. Good. All right. And by the way, I am going to do a video after this series right here. So be looking for it here in the next couple of days or within the next week. I'm going to do a video on my top 5 picks for thread colors in 2026. So make sure you guys stay tuned. I think you guys will enjoy the video and hopefully get a lot out of it. So, all right, so I've got that tape off of there now. And then now I can just go down, finish this wrap. Oops. Oops, went over a little bit there. Went back over again. Holy crap. I'm all over the place right now. All right, here we go. That's over too. Damn. There we go. Okay. All right, so we pick that wrapping back up. And I'm going to wrap all the way down just till it starts to arch up a little bit. Yep, that's good. Okay. Okay. Go a little bit more. Right there. Now I'm going to start coming over. I'm going to pause. I'm going to just do a little burnishing action here, moving my threads, flatten them down. All right, and now we'll double over wrap the rest of the way down back towards the toe. Okay, I'm going to pause. I'm going to find my white thread. Here we go. All right, and we're going to start going down. And hey, by the way, if you guys are getting any value out of this video, you enjoy it, you like the content, you're learning something from it, if you do me a favor, man, please hit the like button, give me a thumbs up, help YouTube find this video in an algorithm and get it to other people that are interested in stuff that you're interested in watching as well. I would greatly appreciate if you do that. All right, so now I'm right down there. I'm going to stop. Put my finger on the top there. All right, pull that through. And then that's it. And then now we have the wrap guide, just like new, brand new guide, right? Not like this old beat up thing that we took off of here, like this one, right? So, I mean, we're talking the same exact guide, same company. This one's compressed a little bit, but just beat up, rusted. And so we're going to got that replaced. Now we'll just get some finish on it and we will be good as new. So again, I hope this video helped. Please let me know what you guys think down in the comments block. Please feel free to share this video with anyone you think may find this video useful. Make sure you guys watch this next video here. And until next time, guys, take care. Appreciate you, man. Take care. Bye.